Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to bookmark your important websites, important research papers, any important links you want to bookmark. So it's very simple. Just go to your Google Chrome and here, suppose I want to just bookmark this website because I want to use this in other purposes. Simply, there's the star button. You just need to click on this star button. And here I can also change the name like it's my the research paper. Just click on this. And if you want to create a specific folder, you can also create another folder. And if you want to remain this as a by default, you can also do this. Just click on the done and here there are the all bookmarks, so you just need to click on here and here you can find your bookmark paper. Suppose if I'm going to close this again, go to the bookmarks and simply there's the link. You just need to simply click on this link. Here you go. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.